Video 691, fuck this shit, I hate this shit. ARTGIRL shader strings, shader number 8, in main, label your units, asshole. Right down here, we commented some things out because we don't need them anymore. We do need these things. It's the same exact math, but this is the visible internal local coordinate within the inset region of the tile, the visible positive space of the tile. We have the total magnitude of the number of discrete units of the visible region of the tile right here, and we're going to take that magnitude and we're going to divide it by 9 to get a 1/9 chunk for some tile map math. Okay, let's go down to the next section. In our loop, where we're rendering the bombs from front to back, we have the discrete unit inset here pulled from our rule bomb system, and we have the inclusive bounds of the negative space calculator right here. This is commented out because this was for the percentage-based inset. We're no longer doing percentage-based inset. This formula here is basically the same, except now we have some equal signs here. The macro is different, but same concept. If we're inside of the negative space area of the tile, then we want to try to pick another tile to render. Undef your macros after you're done with them. Then, way down here, get bomb from address. If we sample the binary tile and discover that it is a non-zero tile value, then we're going to do some stuff in here to get ready to render later down. So this was the percentage-based shit. It's all commented out. Here's the new constant width inset. So the visible internal local coordinate is just a localized discrete internal local where we take off the inset amount from, we use the inset amount to zero it out, right? Now, the visible units, the visible number of discrete units is the total discrete units in the tile minus the padding from both sides. And then VU9 bomb, right, is just the number of discrete units in the positive space of the tile divided by 9, which we use for tile map math. Okay, let's go down here. Undef your macros after you're done with them. We're good people here. Render collected binary tiles. So if we scroll down here, we commented this stuff out right here. We don't need this shit anymore. Okay, right here, this is mostly cut and paste. This is the important piece. We're going to take the visible internal local, divide by this 1/9 chunk to get the address on a 9x9 grid being overlaid over the tile. And we're going to figure out which third we're in, because we divided the graphic into thirds. This is the address on the third. We're going to pick out the third graphic here, get the bit, and then we're going to do our monochrome coloring. And then all this bullshit down here is commented out. We're going to delete it in the next video. So I'm out of here. Fuck this shit.